The purpose of this article is to show you where to find the booking time logs section, how to check a job status, where to find the time logs in the booking details, and how to adjust completed time logs. Once the GPS and clock in-out feature has been enabled, you'll be able to view any time logs that have been created in the system. If you would like to see if the provider has clocked in for an appointment, please go to your menu and click Bookings, then Booking Time Logs. If any tracking has begun, you will be able to see a record of it in this section. When you scroll to the right, you can see live information about if the provider has clocked in, is en route, or has arrived to the location. Whatever logs exist will be listed under these sections, and you'll be able to see if the provider's status is clocked in, at location, or completed. You can also view the same information by clicking into your Bookings Details section. For example, let's go to our Upcoming Bookings section and click on the job's details. If tracking has begun, you'll see a blue button that says Booking Time Log. When you click this button, you'll be able to see the status, estimated job length, and then whichever GPS information is available for the job. If you scroll down, you can also view this information on a map. Pins will be placed on the map, and they will show the provider's location when they clocked in, as well as when they arrived to the job location and where they were when they clocked out. You can even see if they've made a stop along the way. Once your provider has clocked out and recorded any additional information, you'll be able to see the completed log in the Booking Time Logs section, or you can open the Job Details section. This information includes the provider's status, such as clocked in, at location, or complete, job length, or the length estimate you or the system created prior to arrival, GPS actual time, or the total amount of time tracked, including travel time and job length, GPS job length, the total amount of time spent on location, GPS travel time, or the total amount of time spent traveling if they clocked in prior to arrival, GPS travel distance, or the total distance between clocking in and arriving on location, GPS clocked in, the exact time that the provider clicked clock in, GPS clocked out, the exact time the provider clicked clock out. Please note that if the provider has forgotten to clock out, the GPS will automatically clock them out once they leave the location, and this number will be 0. The provider override job time is the job length as suggested by the provider. The provider override travel time is the travel time as suggested by the provider. And the provider override distance is the travel distance as suggested by the provider. In the map below, you can view the location of each aspect, including where the provider clocked in and clocked out, the booking location, and any prolonged stops that were made along the way. As mentioned previously, any provider adjustments to job time or distance will not override any GPS measurements. As the admin, you have total control over these aspects and can override them at any time. All you need to do is select the appropriate amount and then click Update once you're finished.